Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to stay in this box for a while again. Mostly what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write in my notebook. So yeah, there's a Sharpie right here. So I'm gonna use this to write. I'm gonna also use it to write stuff. If you guys know what you want me to write to you guys, then put thumbs up. So yeah. So with that. Because I know I'm writing stuff for you. Okay guys, I wrote it and I know you guys won't be able to read it, but I will show you it. Let me get it up here. So it does say click that, like, and subscribe on the Two Fun Flower Girls channel. Love you guys. So yeah, that's what I wrote. I'm also gonna make some more things for you guys. I really do not know what to write, but I will think of some. Let me think. Oh, I know. Wait, but I really do not know what to write. Wait. True. My dad. Okay, guys. I've made another note. I know it kind of took a while, but I was thinking that I shouldn't show you guys this, but it is a leak, but I don't know if we actually will have it. I'm gonna ask my dad this. Look, so it says, I am going to ask my dad this. We might says let me say this. I am going to ask my dad this. We might have some merch soon. We might have some merch soon, guys. I really don't know, because I'm gonna ask my dad this. Oh, I know. I don't know if you guys will love this, but I am going to write it. I know a lot of you girls are gonna love this. A lot. Okay, guys. I'm gonna review. Wait. Oh, I have to write this out. Oh, never mind. Okay, guys. Show you in 3, 2, 1. If you guys know what this is, then leave a like down below and turn on notifications and subscribe that button. And you get 10 seconds to know what this is. You get 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna show you it. It says it's a kitty cat. If you guys were thinking a cat, no. It's a kitty. And if you guys were wondering what this is, it's just a marker tattoo I made. It's a heart. So yeah, that's what I made for you guys. Keep calling my cat. And I'm gonna write one more thing for you. It's a picture. No, not a lot of you guys probably won't like this. I really don't know. Actually, guys, I know you guys will love this. Hey guys, I'll show you the reveal in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's right here, not right here, it's right here. It's a TV, and here's you guys. Here's one of you, another one of you guys, another, and another. And this is me. And that's you guys with me. Isn't that cool? I really do not know what to make now, so yeah, that's all we have for today. So thanks for watching. Bye.